This 1957 BMW 503 Coupe is one of just 273 ever produced, making this quite a rare and special car. This particular example has been fully restored. It's got beautiful paint, beautiful chrome. It's got a stunning red leather interior. These cars were really cool because they had pretty much a similar V8 to the one that was in the 507 Roadster. So it's just a rare special coupe. I really think this is a beautiful car. It's just a unique find. You don't find these every day. That's for sure. It comes with a lot of history and extra documentation as well. Take a look at that leather. It's a matching numbers car, retaining its original engine as well. It's stunning. It's going to make its next owner quite happy, this one.